Hello friends, welcome to the channel The Learning Universe. Today we will learn types of valve. Let's start. This is gate valve. Gate valve. This is ball valve. Ball valve. This is plug valve. Plug valve. This is diaphragm valve. Diaphragm valve. This is reducing valve. Reducing valve. This is butterfly valve. Butterfly valve. This is needle valve. Needle valve. This is swing check valve. Swing check valve. This is lift check valve. Lift check valve. This is pinch valve. Pinch valve. This is regulating valve. Regulating valve. This is solenoid valve. Solenoid valve. This is rotary valve. Rotary valve. This is relief valve. Relief valve. This is piston valve. Piston valve. This is thermostatic valve. Thermostatic valve. This is globe valve. Globe valve. This is control valve. Control valve. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.